Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we will be making this dessert. If you want to know how I made it, continue watching. So guys, you'll need biscuits, preferably these shapes, not the round ones, any that are in this shape. And you're also going to need some chocolate spread. You can use Nutella, you can use any chocolate spread. I have here whipped cream, I have some Oreos. That's basically it. Guys, you're also going to need a tray like this one where you're going to be layering your dessert. So first thing you're going to do is to whip this whipped cream. Yeah, so just put it in your mixer and just whip it until it's like a really soft fluffy cream. You're going to see how it's going to look. And by the way, I used 1 cup of whipped cream. So this is how your cream should be looking, guys. As you can see, it's super fluffy and it looks really smooth. Then next you're going to start layering your biscuits on your tray. This is just how you make lasagna. So let's call this biscuit lasagna. So you're just going to put a layer of the first layer should be your biscuits, just the way I'm doing. Then guys, this is my chocolate spread. I put it inside the microwave just to melt it a little bit so that it can be easy to like spread on my biscuits. And this is just how I'm going to do it. There's no specific amount. You can just put as much chocolate as you like. Then guys, the next layer is going to be my whipped cream, and you're just going to spread it smoothly on top of your biscuits and the chocolate spread, just like this. So guys, just try as much to make it a smooth layer, the whipped cream layer, because we are going to put biscuits on top again. That was our first layer, and this is the second one. You're just going to repeat what you did for the first one. So basically your biscuits go first, then your chocolate spread, then the whipped cream. So over here guys, I'm just going to use these biscuits that had like broken, and I'm going to just use them to fill the empty spaces I'm seeing. So I'm just trying to smoothen my cream. I don't want it to be all over. I just want it to be like a smooth surface. Then guys, I'm going to crush some of my Oreos, only the black part, not the cream. And this is my chocolate spread. I put the remaining in a piping bag so that I can be able to do this on top. You can do any ideas that you have on top here as long as it's the chocolate spread. And I'm not good at drawing even lines. Over here guys, here are my crushed Oreos. I'm just going to spread them on top, just on the corners. Then I'm just putting 3 pieces of Oreo biscuits on top. You can put as much as you like. And that's it guys. So now guys, you're going to refrigerate this for about 6 to 7 hours before you can have it. This is how it's looking after around 6 hours. So guys, we put it in the fridge so that the biscuits can get soaked in the cream and the chocolate spread. And this is how it's looking on the inside. You can see the layers clearly. We have the biscuit layer, the cream, and also the chocolate spread. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're going to try it. If you do, let me know how you like it. Thank you so much for watching.
Can you see everything that I said was happening? Or are you still